Hi everybody, this is Sean from Pass First Time, and a number of students asked me if I would show you what happens when you register for our pre-test course. A look at the inside of the course. So once you register, the first page you come to is the course page, which starts off with a how to use the course, which is a very helpful video, explains to you how to use it correctly and to get the best value out of the pre-test course. It then goes through all of the lessons starting at 1 down to 8, broken down into different modules and different topics. Prepare, Observe and Move is the first one. Lesson 2 is on road position, clearance, position on bends, right and left turns. 3 is roundabouts, and you can go through the course lesson by lesson if you wish, or you can just pick. For instance, if you wanted to start on roundabouts, you can click on the first lesson on roundabouts and the video opens up immediately. Now you can watch these on your phone, on your tablet, wherever you like. I've hopefully turned down the volume on this. You just click play on the video and it takes you through the first video in the series and explains it to you, and you run through all the videos in the same way. Lesson 2 then is again on roundabouts, the second exit. Lesson 3 is one of our animated lessons. These lessons a lot of people find very helpful. People have taken the course so far because they give you a bird's eye view looking down on the video itself and explaining how the roundabouts work from a bird's eye view is very, very, very helpful. And we go through all of the exits and all details on the roundabouts on these animated lessons as well. So a lot of the lessons live, a lot of them are the animated ones, which is a nice mixture. If I go back to the lessons page, then you can see lesson 4 is all to do with traffic lights, junctions, turning right and left at junctions, pedestrian crossings. Lesson 5 is all the manoeuvres. Lesson 6 is the theory side of it, the road signs, the theory questions. They're all done out, by the way, in audio format. You can download them in a PDF form, the questions on the rules of the road, but you can listen to them as well. And a lot of people have told me that they listen to them as they drive around, the questions and answers from the theory section. So that's very helpful. Lesson 7 is the bonnet checks, the vehicle control checks, the hand signals. Lesson 8, a look at automatic tests and what to do depending on the result of your test. So it's fairly comprehensive. There's a lot in there and lots of detail. It's very handy that you can watch it on all devices, so no matter where you are, if you have your phone with you, you can just check out a lesson whenever or wherever you want yourself. So that's a brief look inside the pre-test course. Hopefully that has been helpful. If you are preparing for your driving test, the best of luck with it. And if you are working through the course, good luck with that as well. Thank you for watching.